Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss one of the important features of Excel, which is use of online templates. These online templates are a very powerful tool in Excel. They make the work very easy for people to produce many business related materials such as invoice, purchase order, sales order, budget document, planner and many more. So now in this particular recording, we are going to see how we can make use of online templates. So first, when you are going to open Excel, let me try to explain to you how to use it. When you are going to open a new worksheet in Excel, new, you can see always there is something called blank workbook, which normally we use. But now you can see one the text box here where you can type, for example, invoice. I am going to do activity number 11 today. I just type the word invoice. When I type invoice, lot of invoice which are already built. This is called template. You no need to think on anything. It is already available. The template is available. So what you do is that you just click on the template. Then you will get like this. Then you have to press the button create. So you have the template ready and the document is open now. Can you see now here? This is the document. Like for example, you know what is an invoice. Invoice is nothing but like a bill. Before you supply the goods, you make it. Like for example, let me type the name of the company. Okay. I want to type the name of the company. Like for example, I want to type Dhofar University, for example. Okay. Then you have to just type your address very easily. Post office box 2509. And you can see here it is given what? Salalah. You can type here Salalah. Postal code 211 and Sultanate of Oman. Sultanate of Oman. And then you can write the phone number. In the phone number you can put here 2323 7000. So fax number, you can type your company's fax number 2323 7001. And email, for example, you can type here info@du.edu.om. You can type your website www.du.edu.om. Bill to which company you are sending. Okay, this invoice is like a bill for which we are going to supply something to them and we are going to get back. So bill to, for example, we are going to ask to, like for example, like Moodle. Bill to Moodle e-learning company, for example. Okay, or maybe you can ask, like for example, instead of this you can put here like XYZ computers company, because we are sending an invoice, computers company. Actually, Dhofar University is not supplying. I'm just showing you an idea only. Okay, we are supplying to XYZ computers company, scrap. Okay, like for example, the address is located in Sanaya in Salalah. Okay, phone is what? You can add the phone number 2325 something number. Okay, now that's okay, done. Now okay, yes. Now I go for the fax. If you have fax, you can give fax, otherwise just leave it like that. Okay, email. Okay, email also you can give any value if you want, otherwise you can just leave it like that. Okay, now this is fax and this one, so whatever you want you can give here the values. Similarly, what are the items you are going to give? Now item number 1, description. You are having old computers, you are sending old computers. Quantity 250, price 1 is 5 real, no discount, 0. So dollar 1250. This is coming in dollar because this is actually what? It's already in dollar. Okay, so just we can change it later to Omani Riyal. Just I'm giving an example. 2. Now old printers. Okay, old printers. There are 25 printers, and each one is 2 real because it is scrap. We are selling the scrap. Okay, and then the third one is like old computer tables. Okay, and we have 50 computer tables, and each one is 4 real. Okay, and this is the money. Fourth one, we have old computer chairs. Old computer chairs, like we have 100 computer chairs, each one we are going to give for 1 real. So this is what the total money. Okay, so you can see that the total money is this one. Okay, no, if you want you can put tax rate. No, 0% tax rate. Okay, sales tax. Okay, it's not there. So others, no. Deposit, how much money they paid in the beginning, because whenever you are going to make a tender, they have paid 200 real. So now they have to give 1400 real. Can you see now? Your invoice is ready. So you see that without making, and most importantly, you can put the date. The invoice date you can write. Okay, at the right. Like for example, you can put the date. Today's date is what? Like 19. Okay, 4/0/4/19 2020. Okay, that's it. 4 is month. Okay, invoice. You can also type the invoice number. Invoice number 2020 123. This is the invoice number I am generating. So you see that I have generated an invoice very easily without any great effort. So I need not sit and type everything. It's automatically available. I will repeat again. Now what you have to do, save this file. Save as. I am going to save in business 106. Okay, I am going to save it as a simple invoice in the teaching material 1, which is actually like activity number 11. This is activity number 11. What I taught you just now is activity number 11. See, in the activity 11 of your book, you can see something like this. This is what I explained you now, and you can see in the activity 11 you saw something like this. You no need to type this table. You can use that example also. The same vendor, shipping to, all these things are not needed. You can just try to, instead of purchase order, you can use an invoice, as I told you just now. So use the video file for activity number 11. No need to type this information. Type the information as I have shown in the video lesson. Is that clear for everybody? It's a simple thing. The idea is what? How to use Excel application in day-to-day business application, and we are using template. So in the purchase, instead of purchase order, I wanted you to type what? Invoice, because you can type invoice, and you know about invoice because you are all business students. So you should know what is an invoice in any business transaction. So try to do it as an invoice, and that completes activity number 11. So again I will repeat one more time how to open it. When you go to file, you will give new. You see a space in the top where it is mentioned what you want search. You can type here, for example, invoice, where all the things will come. Many invoice, purchase order. You can see there are many types of invoice are available. Okay, I can choose what I like according to my needs. Can you see here? There are variety of invoice available. Sales invoice. See, actually the invoice which you see there is this one. Can you see now here in the activity number 11? This is given. You can use this one also if you want. But that one which I used is also okay. See now, when you download your template, you can put your company name, bill to, okay, due on receipt, and then you can write whatever you want. You can change all the information as you want. Is this clear? This is very easy one. And then after that, after you type this one, what? You have to go and save the file. You can save it in desktop, for example, and then choose any file name and then save it. So the file will be saved. If you give file, print view, preview, file, print. Okay, there is something called, this is how it will look like. When you print, those things will not come. Only you will see this one. This is how the print preview will come. You can change the company name. You can change this one. All the details you can change. This is your company. This is to which company you are sending the items, and what are the items you are going to send, how many quantity you are sending, what is the price of one quantity, if you have any, what is the total amount, what is the total, if there is any tax, and what is the final total that they have to pay. This is what is actually mentioned in the invoice. Invoice is actually done between two companies when they are going to do any transaction. So please try to do it. Don't think this will come. This will not come. This is just an idea for people to understand. Okay. I hope this is clear until now for every one of you. Please try to practice activity number 11 based on this video lesson which is given to you. Activity 12 also is the same type of video lesson which I will show you in the next video, and then activity 13 will be given as a homework. Thank you very much for listening. See you then.